Boneyard Garage here. Got the carpet cutter up on the lift, and I was hoping to have this thing restored already. It is midway through February, and I wanted to get it done before the spring. But business has been really good, been really busy, and so I can't complain about that. And I still got a lot of work. But if I don't do it now, it's not going to happen this spring because I'm going to be really busy once April hits. So I had on the lift, and I'm trying to decide what I'm going to do. If I'm going to keep it the same color, if I'm going to paint something different. So I called Mrs. Boneyard out in the shop, and she come take a look, and she thinks we should keep it the original. I didn't want to do another orange, a bright orange, because I have the Country Squire and 2 Jacobson that are pretty close in color. But this isn't really a bright orange. So I'm going to try to find something close as I can to it. And we're going to paint it pretty much the original. With a black engine, white wheels. So it's a neat little tractor. I got it running really good. The governor's not working, so I'm going to split the case once I get the engine off, figure out why the governor's not working. I found it down at the dump. I will put the videos that I have already down below. You guys can check them out. Where we had the rat's nest in it, and I've had to put another carburetor on it. And the governor was working before I put the carburetor on. So I don't know what happened, but it's definitely not in the linkage, and it's not the adjustment. I tried all of that. So something must have happened inside. Right now I just got it set, throttle set, so it won't go, you know, rev too high, but it's kind of a pain in the neck to get a decent speed out of it. So I'm going to go this far. I'm going to try to fix that governor. And I do want to keep the original engine. It runs good. You know, someone told me, oh, you got a couple Honda engines, put that on. No, I'm going to keep the old flathead Briggs & Stratton. So, the worst thing, I'm just going to have to get a new governor and put in it. Not a big deal. So, yeah, that's it. I'm not going to put out a lot of videos, you know, part 1 or part 2. I'm just going to put this one out for now, and then I'm going to make a video as I go, kind of like I did on my wheel horse and my Country Squire. There'll be some picture slide shows, and you know, once in a while there'll be a video with an update. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know what's going on with the carpet cutter. Neat little tractor. I had one of these years ago, so when I seen it down at the dump, I picked it up. But it was going to get crushed by the bucket loader, and we saved it. Alright guys, so yeah, keep an eye out. A few weeks, a month, whatever it's going to take me. It all depends how much time I have to work on it. I'm the type, once I dig into something, I could be out in the shop to you know, midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning working on it. That's just how I do it. I just get in my zone, and I just go. So. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and please check out the videos of the carpet cutter down below. And next time you see it, be all nice and shiny. Have a good day, guys. Boneyard's out.